Welcome to AutoCraft Hacks. If you enjoy our videos and love high-performance cars like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next upload. Now, let's get into the video. The Ferrari Purosangue might be one of the most controversial cars Ferrari has ever created. Because for decades, Ferrari said they would never build an SUV. And then suddenly, this happened. But the crazy part is this. The moment you drive the Purosangue, you realize Ferrari did not build a normal SUV at all. They built a Ferrari first, and an SUV second. That changes everything. The design immediately stands out. Long hood, aggressive stance, sharp body lines, and proportions that somehow make this large vehicle still look athletic. Most performance SUVs look heavy. The Purosangue looks fast even while parked. And honestly, that alone makes it feel different from almost everything else on the road. But the real magic starts under the hood. Ferrari gave the Purosangue a naturally aspirated V12 engine. And in today's world, that feels almost unbelievable. No hybrid system, no fake engine sounds, just pure Ferrari emotion. The second this thing starts, you hear that signature V12 roar instantly. And when you push the throttle, the sound becomes absolutely addictive. Smooth at low RPM, violent at high RPM. It sounds alive. Quick rehook here. Imagine hearing a Ferrari V12 echo through a tunnel while sitting in a luxury SUV that can carry your family comfortably. That should not exist. But somehow, Ferrari made it happen. And honestly, the Purosangue might be one of the coolest modern Ferraris because of it. Performance is exactly what you would expect from Ferrari. Brutally fast acceleration, sharp steering, incredible balance, and a chassis that feels far more athletic than a vehicle this size should ever feel. Ferrari engineers somehow made a four-door luxury vehicle drive with real sports car character. That is incredibly difficult to achieve. Inside, the